Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and give some key levels of support and resistance, what to look for with the Elliott Wave count. Let's get going. So here we can see the current structure or the downfall from 48k to current lows of 26k or 25k depending on your exchange. Now I'm not going to go through all of this, but again, just to recap, we have a few different possibilities here. We have this ABC structure, five waves in the A, 3 in B, and now looking for the last 5 waves here. Here we can see 1, 2, possible 3, 4 and 5. Targets for wave 5 of this minuet count is all the way down here at least around 25k. But again, we would be looking for divergence to happen and a subdivision of this last leg to confirm that. For the wave 4 of this subminuet count, we have already reached the target of 38.2 retracement of the wave 3 move. So it doesn't need to go higher, but there is a chance that it will. Invalidation for this count is here at around 37,500. When wave 4 or LHD wave 4 would get into the area of wave 1. Another option here is this one, where we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. They're both looking for the last wave 5 here if the wave 4 is done, but again the difference is between these two is again ABC versus the 5-way move. Different higher time frame counts, both of these are possible and valid, so that's that. Then there's a alternate of these, or basically more bearish version of these, that is combining the counts, saying that this is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we get the minuet third here, then the fourth, and then the fifth. This would bring the price a bit lower, in which case we could be reaching the 23k target of a higher degree without any extensions on these legs. Now let's open up this one for now and check out some lower time frame counts. So let's go into the 15-minute chart. This should do it. So there's a couple of different ones. One is assuming that wave 4 is done, here at around $31,539 at this high anyway, depending on your exchange again. To get to that, we have an ABC correction, having some kind of a possible zigzag or possibly a WXY if needed. It is really close to the minimum target, but again it hits it, so there is no issues with that. After this point we can see a possible 5-way move down here into 1, then wave 2, and then starting to unravel the wave 3. At this point it looks like this structure here is a 5-way move down to 1, a 3-way move up back to 2, and then some kind of again 5-way move down. I've labeled it as a 1-2 here, just because this structure is not getting to the 1.618 of this first move. So like so, it is getting kind of close, but it didn't reach this, so there is again variables to look into here. Most likely if we are going to rise here, I would be expecting major level of resistance around this area, of around 30k for the wave 2 of this minuscule, before heading downwards. So let's color this in as well. I like to have them all covered up like so. And then there is another possibility of the wave 4, saying that the wave 4 is not done up here. Now this is another possibility saying that WXY or that ABC here Then we have another ABC here. Again, 5-wave move down here, an ending diagonal. This could be looked at as a 3-wave structures instead. Now for the Y wave, we would be looking for no longer than the 1.618 extension of the W wave, which brings us straight to the invalidation point of wave 4, of ending of wave 1 as well, so double invalidation here for the same count. If the wave X is not done here and we were correcting downwards more, then the invalidation for the X is down here at around $27,311, after which point this count changes to an A, B, C count, and it still can be correcting upwards with the same sequence. This is because the X most likely, okay, let me rephrase that. B cannot go below here or go above here with a shorter extension than the 854 extension of the, or retracement of the A move here. So that is why X can only be above here. X can also be below here, but again, that is usually the B wave territory, in which case, if the price comes down here, we would be looking for 5-wave structure up to these levels, instead of the 3-wave that we're looking for if the price does not get below here. Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share on Bitcoin. Again, next Monday I'll cover the higher time frame stuff on Bitcoin. If you are interested in that, there's nothing changed from the previous video that was covered. I think it was on Monday, or last Monday, or this week's Monday, yeah. But yeah, for now I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next one as well. Bye bye.